So, JJMB Adventures are off to another quest at McKenzie and Bear. We're headed to where?
Hickory Knob.
Hickory Knob State Park. Big resort type, so kind of curious what's going to bring. See you soon. So I've got my two compadres, and we are going to be doing the Turkey Ridge Loop. It's about a 2-mile hike. And we'll go down there and see what it's got. About a third of the way through, maybe. This is absolutely gorgeous. So, we're at the mile mark. This trail is beautifully marked so far. And my kids needed a water break. Yeah, they're 7 and 11. I'll give them a break after an hour. So we just got done with a 2-mile hike. A little out of breath, a little out of shape. I am. What'd y'all think? Took forever and you're starving, and
I liked it.
You liked it?
For the most part, if I wasn't starving, it would have been nice.
So luckily we brought lunch, so we're gonna go find us a picnic table and feed these two hooligans. Lady Raiders, Manchester, Tennessee. So here at Hickory Knob, that is the main entrance, park reservation, lodge, restaurant, and the gift shop. The restaurant runs Friday through Sunday. I think it's a buffet style only. And over there, there's a putting green, lodges. This place has a lot of cabins. Then I'm at the playground because, well, my kids wanted to be here, so that's where we are. More lodges down there, rooms, more playground equipment. And over there in the distance, there's the convention center. This park has a lot. Behind this building, there's more lodges, swimming pool, basketball court. They got all kinds of stuff. I love it here. Of course, it's dead right now. Of course, it is mid-January, so here we are. I will be getting a campground video here momentarily when we go out. 18 course. They got an 18 course golf course, sorry. Apparently it's a championship, like 6,500 yards or something like that. They've got a lot to offer: boat ramps, access to the water easily, and something that I've never seen a state park have is a archery and skeet shoot. So I will be going and videoing that too, because I think that's a fabulous idea. So we have Archery Range here. And this, 2 towers for skeet shooting, sorry. So yes, this is pretty awesome. And it looks like they've added an axe throwing. So the campground, right there's the dump. And there's their dumping station. Got to maneuver between the trees here, which is not bad at all. One thing I did realize about this, this park I think only offers 30 amp.